Before buying a car scratch remover, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Priced at $13.97, this pro-grade formula caught my eye because it promises to buff out imperfections and add a showroom shine. If you want a flawless finish for your car, this is worth a serious look. This compound is designed to tackle scratches, swirls, and oxidation, giving your paint a fresh, clear look. With its micro-abrasive technology, it cuts through defects while restoring that glossy finish you love. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's clear coat safe, meaning you can use it without worrying about damaging your car's finish. In fact, over 20,000 people bought it in the last month, showing it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about it being a bit tough to apply if you're not experienced. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it genuinely works wonders. And if you're someone who appreciates a DIY project, this could be a fun way to restore your car. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a professional grade finish at home. Skip this one if you prefer a quick spray-on solution instead of a bit of elbow grease. Now, if the application process sounds daunting, the next product on my list might be more your style.
Product number 2, Carfident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. The Carfident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover, retailing at $21.97. What grabbed my attention? It's marketed as an easy fix for light scratches and swirls, which is exactly what many car owners need. If you want a simple DIY solution, this one is worth considering. This kit comes with a buffer pad and a specially formulated compound designed to erase years of wear from your vehicle's paint. It's safe for all paint types too. This means you won't have to stress about compatibility with your car's finish. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many users are finding success with it. However, some users mention that it might not be as effective on deeper scratches. Here's the thing though, if you're dealing with just light imperfections, it works like a charm. It's an easy product to use, perfect for someone who wants to maintain their vehicle without professional help. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a user-friendly solution to restore your car's shine. Skip this one if you have deep scratches that need more extensive repair. Plus, it's a great value given the professional results it can deliver. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for more comprehensive scratch repairs.
Product number 3, Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit. This one doesn't have a listed price, but it's worth checking out. What caught my attention is its drill-mounted pad that makes it super easy to use. If you want to tackle scratches quickly, this could be your go-to product. This kit is designed for light scratches and scuffs, utilizing a drill to do the hard work for you. It's safe for all glossy paints and clear coats, so you won't have to worry about causing any damage while you restore your car's appearance. Plus, with over 6,000 units sold recently, users seem to appreciate the convenience it offers. On the downside, some users found the drill attachment tricky to handle at times, but I'll be real with you. Once you get the hang of it, the ease of use can save you a ton of time compared to traditional methods. This is perfect for you if you want a speedy and effective way to erase scratches. Skip this if you don't have a drill at home or prefer a manual approach. It's definitely worth a look for the convenience alone. Now, if you're someone who prefers a compound solution over a drill system, the next product might just fit your needs perfectly.
Product number 4, Chemical Guys VSS Scratch and Swirl Remover. We have the Chemical Guys VSS Scratch and Swirl Remover, priced at $21.97. I was drawn to this product because it combines cutting power with a finishing polish in one formula. If you want a multi-purpose product, this one is definitely worth checking out. This compound is effective against light to moderate scratches and swirls, restoring gloss and clarity without needing extra polishing steps. It's safe for all types of paint, so whether you have a clear coat or a ceramic finish, you're covered. With over 2,000 units sold in the past month, it's gaining traction among car enthusiasts. However, some users were frustrated that it takes a bit of effort to apply for optimal results. Here's the thing, if you're willing to invest time in the application, the results can be incredible. It really does save you a step, making it a time saver in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a product that simplifies the detailing process. Skip this one if you're looking for something that works instantly without any effort. It's definitely worth the money for the results you can achieve. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more precise for smaller scratches, you'll want to hear about the final product on our list.
Product number 5, Black Touch-Up Paint for Cars. Let's check out the Black Touch-Up Paint for Cars, priced at just $9.99. What stood out to me is its promise of color accuracy and ease of use.
If you're dealing with small chips and scratches, this might be the budget-friendly option for you. This touch-up paint is designed to blend seamlessly with your car's original color, providing a durable, waterproof, and UV-resistant finish. It dries fast in just 10 minutes, which is perfect for those who want quick fixes. Plus, it's versatile enough to work on motorcycles and other surfaces, which adds to its value. With 2,000 sold recently, it shows that many people appreciate the cost-effective solution. The downside? Some users found it tricky to apply evenly on larger scratches. But look, if you're mostly dealing with small chips, this is a fantastic option that's easy to use and saves you a trip to the auto shop. This is perfect for you if you want to quickly cover up minor scratches without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need to repair deeper scratches or prefer a more comprehensive solution. It's a solid value for what it offers.
We've covered 5 solid options for car scratch removers. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound for deep scratches, Carfidant for easy repairs, the Meguiar's Quick Eraser for quick fixes, Chemical Guys for a multifunctional approach, and the black touch-up paint for budget options. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose based on your specific needs. Happy detailing!